So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find your network adapter. You're going to double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. And now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you're going to select use the following IP address. You want to make the first line 192.168.1/101. And now for the subnet mask, when you click on subnet mask, it should automatically come like this. If it doesn't, then just type in 255.255.255.0. And now for the default gateway, we're going to type in 192.168.1/1. And now for the preferred DNS server, we're going to type in 192.168.1/1. And now for the alternate DNS server, we're going to type in 218.248.240.23. So just copy what you see on my screen right now for all of this, and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.